Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'll talk about HeyElsa Airdrop, which has already raised 3 million in funding from big investors such as M13 Capital, MH Ventures, Pace and many more. If you check their X profile, you'll see they currently have 82k followers, and if you scroll down you'll notice they're really active there, working hard to build a strong community. Before joining, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the video description. From there, you'll find this page link. After landing here, the first thing you need to do is connect your wallet. So click on Connect MetaMask Wallet. Then connect and then confirm and done. Next, click on Point section. Here you'll find lots of quests such as daily quests, weekly quests and starter quests. First go to starter quests. Here your first swap must be above $10 on the base network. So go to the home section and in the message section write swap $11 ET to USDC on base. Then hit enter, wait a bit and a swap option will pop up. Simply click on swap, then confirm. And then confirm the request. Once your swap is complete, go back to the point section and you'll see your task is completed. The second task is to follow them on X. So click on follow their account. Go back and click verify, row authorize. Then done. Next, click join to join their Discord. Accept the invite. Click verify. Solve the captcha. And done. Then click again for verify. Authorize. And done. All starter tasks are now completed. Here you will see your total EP points for completing quests. In the daily quest, you can also bridge assets, for example USDC or ETH from Arbitrum or Ethereum network to base. If your transaction is $100, then you'll get 500 EP points. There are also many different quests available that you can complete if you want. Here you will find your referral link, which you can share with your friends to get some extra points. You will also see your total earning points, and in the leaderboard you can find top earners and your ranking. The good news is HeyElsa is available on WorldChain. If you participate via WorldChain, your chances of getting more rewards increase a lot. If you want full details about WorldChain, check out my other video on our channel. I made a complete guide on it. Simply search WorldChain and you will find the video. So what you basically need to do is select HeyElsa. After connecting your wallet, you will see an option to start earning. Tap on it. Here, the top 500 quackers will receive 0.3% of the total airdrop supply. You have to create valuable posts like explaining how to farm the airdrop, etc. Basically, you need to earn mindshare points. Based on these points, you'll get ranked on the leaderboard and can earn 4 or 5 digit rewards. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.